You've been cutting oranges wrong your whole life, but don't worry, this simple method will change everything. Hi friends, I'm Nancy. If you're tired of orange juice dripping down your hands or the peel taking forever to remove, stay right here with me. I'm going to show you a few surprisingly easy ways to cut oranges in a cleaner, faster, and much prettier way to cut oranges, and it works every single time. If you want a way to cut oranges that looks impressive but still keeps everything clean and easy to eat, this orange bloom method is something you'll love. It looks fancy, but it only takes a minute to do. Start by cutting off a thin slice from the top and the bottom. You don't need to remove much, just enough so the fruit can stand upright on your cutting board without rolling around. With the orange standing straight, take a small sharp knife and make 4 long cuts down the sides. Cut deep enough to reach the peel, but don't slice all the way through the fruit. The key is to keep the flesh attached at the center, so the orange holds its shape. Once the 4 cuts are done, slip your fingers gently under each section of peel and pull outward. The peel will open up naturally, creating a blooming flower shape with the bright orange flesh in the middle. What I really like about this method is that it keeps your hands clean. The juice stays inside the fruit and each segment is easy to pick up without making a mess. It also looks beautiful on the table, perfect when you have guests or want to make a simple snack look a little more special. Just arrange the orange blooms on a plate and everyone can take a piece easily. It's simple, pretty, and practical all at once. Now let's move on to the second method, which is one of the easiest ways to take out the entire orange flesh without getting your hands sticky. Start by cutting a thin slice off the top and bottom of the orange. You don't need to remove much, just enough to create 2 flat surfaces so the fruit can sit steady on the cutting board. Next, grab a regular kitchen spoon. Look for the natural separation line between the peel and the flesh. Gently place the tip of the spoon into that space and begin turning it in a slow circular motion. The spoon will slide around the inside of the peel, helping the flesh loosen from the rind without tearing it. Repeat the same motion on the opposite end. Once the fruit has separated from the peel, choose any side and make a small vertical cut through the peel. Then simply open it with your hands. The entire orange flesh will lift out in one perfect piece, clean, whole, and ready to enjoy. You can serve the whole fruit as is, or cut it into bite-sized chunks and place toothpicks on the side for easy snacking. The peel also stays intact, which is great because orange peels are surprisingly useful. You can dry them for tea, place them in the fridge to absorb odors, or use them in natural cleaning solutions. The third method is just as simple and perfect for anyone who wants clean, easy-to-eat orange pieces without sticky hands or juice dripping everywhere. Start the same way as before. Cut a small slice off the top and bottom of the orange. This helps stabilize the fruit and makes the next steps much easier. Now choose one side of the peel and make a shallow vertical cut. You don't need to cut through the fruit, just score the peel so it opens easily. After that, lay the orange on its side and cut it into thick, round slices about 2 centimeters wide. These thicker slices hold their shape better and are easier to separate later. When you're ready to eat, simply place your fingers at the cut you made earlier and gently pull the peel open from both sides. The orange slices will loosen naturally and separate into individual sections. It takes only a few seconds and keeps your hands clean. No splashing juice, no sticky fingers, and no messy cutting board. This method is great when you're serving oranges at the table or preparing snacks for kids. It's quick, neat, and keeps the orange looking beautiful. You can arrange the slices on a plate or pack them in a lunchbox. Either way, they're easy to grab and enjoy. Once you try this, you'll realize how convenient it is. Simple steps. Clean hands and perfectly separated orange pieces every single time. Ready for the next method. Let's keep going. This fourth method may look a little more detailed at first glance, but once you try it, you'll see how simple and satisfying it really is. Just like the previous steps, start by cutting off a thin slice from both the top and bottom of the orange. This gives you a flat, steady base so the fruit won't slip while you work. Next, take a small fruit knife and look for the natural line between the flesh and the peel. Gently slide the knife along that line and shave the flesh away from the peel. Take your time, slow and steady makes it clean and safe. Once the flesh separates, lift it out and set it aside for a moment. Now pick up the empty peel. Choose one spot and make a vertical cut from top to bottom, just deep enough to open the peel. On the opposite side, make a small triangular cut. And right below it, carve a tiny crescent shape. These simple cuts help the peel fold and shape easily. Remove the small triangular piece and set it aside. Then look at the top piece you cut earlier. About 5 millimeters from the edge, make a short cut about 1-2 centimeters long. A little farther down, use the tip of your knife to poke 2 tiny holes. Now take the 2 small round peel pieces you cut from the bottom and tuck them into that little cut on top. Add 2 small red beans or anything similar into the tiny holes. And just like that, a cute little orange bear appears on your cutting board. Fill its belly with small orange pieces and you have an adorable, eye-catching presentation kids and adults will love. Let me know in the comments which country or state you're watching from. I truly enjoy reading every message you leave. Before we wrap up, I hope today's little tips help make your time in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. A good orange cut the right way can save you time, keep things clean, and make every meal feel a bit more special. Take a moment to treat yourself to fresh fruit today, and remember to take care of your health. Thank you for being here with me. Stay well, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.